Hello, good morning, Binita.
Good morning, sir.
Today I'm going to ask you questions related to your favorite books. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Atomic Habits.
Who wrote this book?
It was written by James Clear.
When did you read this book?
I read this book a few years ago.
Why is it your favorite book?
It is my favorite book because it teaches me how to build good habits.
What is the book about?
The book is about small improvements can make a big difference in life.
And what is the main message of the book?
The main message is that small improvements can lead to great results.
And how did the book make you feel?
It made me feel motivated to improve my daily routine.
Which part of the book do you like the most?
I like the ideas about building good habits step by step.
Do you recommend this book to others?
Yes, I recommend it because it is simple and easy to understand.
Who should read this book?
Anyone who wants to their lifestyle should read this book.
Who wants to improve their lifestyle? Have you changed any habits after reading it?
Yes, I have started following my daily routine.
And healthier habits.
Yes, sir.
How often do you read books?
I usually read this book at home during my free time.
All right. How often means just like in your free time or whenever you like to read book. How often means in my free time.
Yes.
Okay. How often do you read books?
How often?
Yeah. Same question.
I usually read this book my free time.
And where do you read Atomic Habits?
Well,
Yeah.
I read it mostly at home during my free time.
Is the book easy to understand?
Yes, the book is simple, practical, and easy to understand.
Do you like the author's writing style?
Yes, I like his writing style because it is clear and interesting.
What is one important lesson from the book?
One important lesson is to simple improvements can lead to great results.
All right. And would you like to read the book again?
Yes, I would like to read it again because I can learn something new each time.
Has the book changed your way of thinking?
Yes, it has taught me to focus on daily progress rather than quickly results.
Quick results. Why would you recommend Atomic Habits?
I would recommend it because it can help people develop better habits and improve their lives.
That's all. Thank you so much. Today you became really relaxed, calmed, and you listened to the question carefully. So in this way, you can speak every day. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Do you have computer skills?
Yes, I have basic and intermediate computer skills.
When did you start using computer?
I started using computers when I was at school.
How often do you use a computer?
I use a computer almost every day.
What do you mainly use a computer for?
I mainly use it work, study and communication.
Can you use Microsoft Word?
Yes, I can use Microsoft Word, create and edit documents.
Can you use Microsoft Excel?
Yes, I can use Microsoft Excel, basic calculation and data entry.
Can you create presentations?
Yes, I can create simple presentation using PowerPoint.
Can you use the internet?
Yes, I can browse the internet and find information easily.
Can you send emails?
Yes, I can send, receive and manage emails.
Can you type quickly?
Yes, I can type fairly quickly and accurately.
Can you print and scan documents?
Yes, I can print, scan and save documents.
Can you use social media?
Yes, I can use social media for communication and share information.
Do you use computers at work?
Yes, I can use regularly at work.
Have you taken any computer courses?
Yes, I have taken for basic computer training courses.
What computer skills would you like to improve?
I would like I would like I would like to computer skills
Improve?
improve my Excel and advanced computer skills.
Can you solve basic computer problems?
Yes, I can solve basic computer problems myself.
Do you think computer skills are important?
Yes, I think computer skills are very important in modern life.
How can computer skills help you get a job?
Computer skill can help me find the job opportunities.
Do you prefer using a computer or a mobile phone?
Yes, I prefer using a computer because it is faster and easier.
What are your favorite plans for computer skills? Sorry, what are your future plans for computer skills?
I plan to learn more and advanced computer skills in the future.
Today you did it really well. Keep it up like this, and you have performed really well today. That's all. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, good morning, Sumitra.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Today I'm going to ask you questions related to your favorite movie. Are you ready?
Yes, ready, sir.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is at 3 Idiots.
Why do you like this movie?
I like it because it is funny and inspiring.
All right. Who is your favorite character?
My favorite character is Ranjo.
Who directed the movie?
I Ram Kumar Hinari, director
The
is
movie.
the movie.
Who is the main actors? Who are the main actors?
Actress Amir Khan, Amir Khan and Madhavan and Sarman Joshi are the main actress.
When did you watch the movie?
I watched. It was. I was eight. I was eight last year.
Where did you watch the movie?
I watched it at home.
Who did you watch the movie with?
I watched it with my family.
What is the movie about? It is about.
It is about friendship, education, and following the dreams.
All right. Is the movie funny?
Yes, it is very funny.
And is the movie interesting?
Yes, it is very interesting.
How long is the movie?
It is about 3 hours long.
What is your favorite scene?
My favorite scene is the college scene.
What do you learn from the movie?
I learned to follow my dreams and hard work.
Do you like the songs in the movie?
I like song very much.
How many times have you watched the movie?
I have
2 times, 3
2
times.
times.
I have watched. I have watched.
I have watched 3 times.
Right. Would you watch it again? Would you watch it again?
Yes. It is what
I would watch.
it was again.
Is the movie suitable for students?
Yes.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is suitable for students.
What is the best thing about the movie?
The best thing about message, friendship, and
Education. Last question. Would you recommend this movie to your friend?
Yes, it is recommend my friend.
To my
To my
friend.
friend.
You are doing well. Keep it up and practice harder next time and be fluent. That's all. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.